To write the justification, first I thought about my question, angle and distance. I described my procedure, particularly my control variables, and what I measured and how it related to the question. I used the sentence starters in the slide deck that's part of this lesson. I wrote, to answer my question about angle and range, see the question there, I changed the angle and I kept my controls, force, mass, and the rocket itself the same. Here's my dependent variable. I measured the distance in centimeters, note the units, to get my results. This answers the question by relating angle and distance. So I bring it back to the question and what I did there. Distance is the dependent variable, so I'll make it blue.